Hello guys, I'm with this side. In this video, I'll show you how to create ad account within a Facebook Ads Manager. This ad account is directly linked with your Facebook Ads Manager and it is required if you're planning to run paid marketing campaign on Instagram or Facebook. So it's very essential to have an ad account. So to create ad account, visit to your business settings page and move to this account section. First, make sure that you are linked your Facebook page to your Ads Manager. If you're not done this, then go back to previous video in this playlist and check the video how to link your Facebook page within Ads Manager and complete that part and move to the next section, add account. On this page, if you see any number like this means you already have ad account, and if you don't see anything like this, it's all blank, then click on add and click on add an ad account. Once you click add an ad account, this form will pop up where you have to fill some information. First name is ad account name. You can write your business name as ad account name, no issue with that. In the next part, select your time zone and in the currency. The time zone and currency selection is very important because sometimes for security reason, Facebook does not allow credit card or debit card which is issued outside the country of your selection. So it's very essential to select this time zone and currency properly. And also you can't modify this information again. So make sure that your time zone and currency selection is proper. Once you've done this, click on the next part. Here it will ask you this question. This ad account will be used for my business, another business. Like if you're creating this account for your own, then select my business. Click on this create button. Once your ad account is created, it will start listing out here. So here also we need to provide permissions to this ad account, like who will use this ad account. In this case, you are the owner of this ad account, so we need to provide permission. So for that, click on the assign people again. Here select your name. So for this ad account, we need full permission. We are the sole owner of this ad account, so we will select this option full control and then click assign. Now click done. So once you complete this part, you will notice your name here. Just click on this drop down and you will see what kind of a permission you have associated with this ad account. Make sure that you have full control for this ad account. Now watch this video, complete this part, create your ad account, and if you are facing any issue, just leave a comment. I'll reply over there. And if you need immediate assistance, I have provided my all the contact detail within the video description. You can reach out to me and I'll definitely help you out. And in the next video, I'll show you how to connect your Instagram account. This is required if you want to see your Instagram ads from your Instagram handles. If you don't connect Instagram account, in that case, you can run ad on Instagram as well, but the ad handle you will see on Instagram, it will be from Facebook page and not from the Instagram. So it's always better to connect your Instagram account, and that is something we'll see in the next video. Till then, complete this part and I'll see you in the next video.